1989, he has been associated with electronic industry, with IT products, hardware or software side. He has he is the exclusive distributor in the Vidarbha region for Canon printers, Asus laptops and IBM servers in the Vidarbha region. They have a very good customer base that is primarily for the wholesalers and not the retail customers, as in not the customers, like the direct customers, the end users at least. And the company has diversified into, the last few years, the company has diversified into an ERP system company also, OfficeBox, that is a sister concern company of ICIS system. Here the scope of the project came in when the company identified that they have a good market reputation, they have a good customer base in Nagpur, but they are somehow missing on to the retail customer base. And the company wanted to find out a solution that how can they go ahead and directly try to communicate to the retail customer. Now this company, as it already is following a corporate structure, it had everything ready with it. They have a proper logistics team, they have a proper inventory management system being enabled, they have all the resources that are required to run a successful retail business. But the only thing that was the place factor. So either they could have chosen and come in with a retail store, but they would have done nothing different than the other stores available in Nagpur. So instead, what they have chosen to is that they have tried to add another line of business, and they try to add another marketing channel to their entire business, wherein they will be the distributors themselves and they will be directly providing the products to the customers, which obviously adds on to the more profits for the company and also gives us more scope to the company to spend a little bit more and try to sell the products. So we majorly came up with the idea of coming up with a website, and I'll be talking here more about how does a person go about and try to open their own website here. The process starts with the selection and procurement of product. As we have studied in retail a little bit, every store when we are starting up, we need to identify what kind of products we will be serving, because all your strategies, all your spendings, the budget allocations, everything will be depending on the kind of products, the kind of profitability that you will be achieving with these products. So when we had identified three major aspects of it, one was availability, specific products and profitability. So,
where is your presentation coming from? Is it from your laptop?
No sir, it's here only.
It's on the
It's on the pen drive. Sir, this present. So basically the selection of procurement of products. So when I was trying to identify the kind of products that I have to go to, so when I'm taking the name e-commerce, the first thing that comes to our mind is probably Flipkart or probably Jabong.com or maybe these websites that are online nowadays. I identified that all these websites are majorly playing on the kind of product availability that they have. I have recently bought a watch, and when I had gone to any showroom, how many watches do we see? Probably 200 watches. But one of these websites, like a single website, maintains at least like a 2000 or a 3000 inventory for any watch. So this is the kind of power that the e-commerce had, and we understood that we have to be specific with our products because all the different websites are going ahead and diversifying into different products. But we did not want to go on the same level. That's why we tried to be very specific with our products. We wanted to check the availability, so what we did was that our own products that are available in our own inventory, we tried to put these products online, understand the market a little bit, and then try to add more products to the categories that are working well, and profitability. Electronic industry is the industry which you will see that is not that much there in the organized retail. The prime reason here being that the profit margins that you see on the product is comparatively low. So this is the prime reason that we wanted the products only which are profitable to the company, they should be highlighted on the website. Website name. It gets very interesting for me to go ahead and produce a name here because this name will be, though it is